Hey traders, it's Michael here from Elite Traders University with the London Banker Strategy. So I'm actually just doing a recap on my best trade of the week. Now we still have one more day, and we're looking at Friday today. So hopefully we're going to get a good session. But I'd like to just recap my trade of the week. Now it actually was on Monday. So here we have this is Sunday, and here we have Monday. Okay, these session markers eliminate the days. Now I was actually looking at buying the very bottom of Monday. So I was interested in getting long in this position here and looking to hold it for at least 1.5 days. So let's open my deal map on CTrader, and you can see we managed to open up a number of trades. So I managed down here, actually managed to bottom tick the Monday, which is amazing. So we can see 37 pips there, 10 pips there, 28 pips. So managed a number of long positions, and then noticed that we sort of got this pullback here coming into Tuesday. And as we pull back, I believe the market was still strong, and as you can see, I entered a number more positions and held them for the rest of the session. So really positive day, or day and a half you could say. So these are the pips I made. So 24th of August. These are the pips I made that day, and then the following day, August the 25th, which is actually my birthday. So we made over 300 pips, which was really good in just a couple of days. And this is the benefit of actually understanding market structure and knowing when the banks are trading. And when you know that, then you can have the actual confidence to hold your trades for longer. So really positive start to the week. I mean, every day is positive, every week is positive, but it's always great to start Monday and Tuesday with a bang. Lots of green in there. One stop at 0.04 for break even. So almost 100%, if not 100% for 2 days. So great start to the week. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to understand how the banks trade, then obviously the London Banker Strategy gives us that advantage. And so if you are interested in wanting to know more about how it works, then feel free just to message me, and we can have a chat about it and see if it's the course that's best for you and your trading journey. Okay guys, have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you next week.